Hi everybody, how are you all? Are you excited for our summer reading program? I hope so. I hope you're all signed up and I hope you're all reading because reading is fun and reading is important, uses your imagination. Well, and it's just, I love reading, so I just think everybody should read. But the point is, I just hope you signed up for the program. If you didn't, you still have time. There's still plenty of time. You can sign up online. You can sign up on paper if you come in. Either way. Anyway, this video is actually about our craft. So let's get to it. We are making, let me get this, here we are, a coral reef out of recycled items. Some are recycled, some are not. Most are though, okay? I love the idea of using recycled stuff for crafts. I love it because that means we're not throwing stuff away and we're making something super creative out of them. Basically, you are using your imagination on this. The sky's the limit, guys. You can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna kind of make a little bit of one. I gave you an idea of how to make one, but really, you can do whatever you want. You can use whatever you want. You can make whatever you want. There are going to be 2 papers of animals that kind of look like this that you can use, or you don't have to use them because you can make your own. It explains how to use them. Okay, let's just get started because this is so exciting. Okay, so I have here just a whole bunch of junk, but we're going to turn this junk into something amazing. All right, so we have paper plates, but I have a paper plate that I had already painted blue. Perfect for this craft because it'll be the bottom, it'll be the floor for our reef. Now, all this stuff, we're just gonna use it to make a beautiful reef for fish to swim in. You can design your reef however you want. I am using hot glue. If you choose to use hot glue, I need you to have, please, adult supervision. Hot glue is very, very hot. You could burn yourself. We don't want that. Adult supervision, please. Okay, we got that there. Okay, so let's just get started. You have all this stuff to use and you can just do whatever you want, okay? Look, I had a broken necklace. I'm like, oh, this would look so beautiful in like a little reef, right? Because reefs, I mean, they're kind of shiny, right? They kind of have like shiny. All right. So I'm gonna start with that. Ooh, I'm already out of hot glue, see? Good thing I have extra sticks. All right, so I'm just gonna put some hot glue on here so I can start with my shiny object. Stick it on there. Now, usually the bottom of your reef, I mean, you might want it to be blue. Considering it's your reef though, you get to make your decision on that. I don't know. The bottom of the reef blue, but if you think about it, maybe the bottom of the ocean is actually sand, so it may be brown. So again, it's your decision. I'm gonna make mine though shiny because I like shiny. I just like it that way. And I have some gems. So I'm gonna put some gems on there just because they're shiny. All right. You know what? I actually might wait on the gems. Okay, I'm getting too excited here. Okay. We need, well, we kind of need like some kind of coral, right? I'm gonna make my coral green. I'm just gonna take this and just kind of like mold it into whatever shape I want. Stick it in there. All right, there we go. Got some coral, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and make another piece though. All right. 2 pieces of coral all crazied up, yes. And we'll put that one, you know what, I'm gonna actually kind of put it next to it a little bit. There we go. What else could we do? Let's see. Ooh. Well, I have an egg carton. So what I could do is cut off one of these pieces. Hold on. I'm cutting this off very carefully. Egg cartons are not super easy to cut, FYI. And I'm gonna cut this like triangle piece off. Is that like, it's not really a triangle, I suppose. Spearish? It's not really spear either. Okay, either way, I'm cutting that piece off. That's what I'm going for. Kinda. All right. Almost. Almost. So close. Okay. Ew, it's so tiny. Okay. But it's perfect. Look at that. I think that will look just like a perfect little like piece in my little thing. Maybe I should have put the, all right, here we go. There we go. Yes. I think that's pretty cool. You can even use like half pieces or like the bottom pieces. I think that's good for now. Then I'm going to take like these pom-poms because look how shiny and cool, look how shiny and bright these are. Yes, so, well, stick a couple of those on there. Brighten it up. Oh, I'm loving it. Look at how bright it's getting. I'm just going to stick these all kind of next to each other because I feel like that's how it should be. Yay. Okay. I'm not going to do too much more because the point of this is just to show you kind of what to do. And then you guys are kind of supposed to do the rest. Look, I have all these like beads I had found. I've got all these sequins. Oh, shells. There's probably shells at the bottom of the ocean. Maybe, right? I'm going to put some shells on there. Yeah, I'm going to put them like along the edge here. There's one there. These are kind of cool. Look at those ones. And I will be sending some stuff in your kit. So I will not be sending you home. I will not be sending your kit home empty. I'm going to send some stuff in your kit, but I think it would be really neat for you to be super creative and find some stuff at home to make your own unique one. Because I'm obviously giving you stuff that I have, but I think it would be awesome to have stuff that you have and to use your imagination and see the difference. Look at those colorful starfish. And you know what else? I would love to see your final products. You know, sometimes I get so caught up in making my own, but I would love to see yours. Okay, I am almost done just creating mine just to be done, just so that, you know, just because I'm done. That's okay. Because I want to see how you guys are going to do yours. All right, I'm going to take this, ooh, not the hot glue gun, silly me. And I'm just going to cut this into like different sizes, I think. Shorter one, a taller one. Okay. I'm going to use this actually to put my fish on, a couple of my fish, I think. So let's see. I'll have one fish right here. So it's probably going to be, yeah, it's going to be a kind of a high fish. I don't know if that's a smart idea or not, but that's how I'm going to do it. I just want them to like kind of be, I don't know, swimming around. Swim away. Who says that? Does anybody know the movie for that? Swim away. Yes. Finding Nemo. They're trying to warn him. That's in the spot. That's the time when they're like trying to warn him. Swim away. Don't come over here. All right. There we go. Okay. So my fish, I'm going to have 3 of them kind of 3D'd. Now, I told you the directions are in there, but since you're watching the video, you get to know. So the way that work is you can take it and fold it. It's not really 3D, I guess it's 2D, but you fold it. Now if I glue this onto one of my pipe cleaners that I just stuck up there, it'll be like he's swimming. So I probably should have had, you know, like a stick of glue for this part, but I didn't bring it over, so I am just going to use this. And that's really hot through the paper. FYI for your helper. It's very hot through the paper. Okay, so I'm just going to put a couple of swimming animals because I think they're so cute. So I have a turtle. I have this little guy. So cute. All right. Yep, we're going to put this guy here. Actually, I'm going to put this guy here. I know, I changed my mind quickly. I do that a lot. No worries, I do it a lot. Okay. Yeah, and he's falling over anyway. Okay, who should we put? You know what? I'm going to put I'm actually gonna put the seahorse over there by the actual coral because I like the seahorse, and well, I just feel like that's a good spot for him. All right, seahorse right in here. Okay, you can use all your fish or you can use none of your fish. You can make your own. You can do whatever you want. Remember, it's your coral reef. Now mine is not, it's not super full. It is full of hot glue strands. It's not super full because I'm not going to sit here and do the whole thing right now, but I do love it and I would love to add to it. You guys, look at that guy. That's so cool. I love it. Okay. You guys have so much fun making yours. Please show me pictures of them because I love to see the final products. I rarely see them. I should put it that way, okay? I would love to see your guys' imaginations working on these, okay? So show me some pictures. I think it would be amazing. Use whatever you've got in your house laying around, okay? And if you want, use what I'm sending as well. And make a fun, recycled coral reef. Bye guys, have so much fun.